It's hard to find a social network more fun than Instagram. The app has come a long way since its inception a decade ago, and by far, our favorite feature continues to be Instagram Stories. Stories are one of the best ways to share your life with your followers, one day at a time. Sharing temporary photos and videos is quick and easy to do, and Instagram gives you plenty of tools and features to customize your snaps. One of the most powerful tools in Instagram is the text tool, which features all sorts of ways to customize how your stories look. To get started, open Instagram's camera interface and shoot your video or photo to get into the editing phase. Opening the text tool is super easy. Just tap anywhere on the screen or tap the text tool icon in the upper right corner. Type your text as normal, then look for the font options at the top of the screen. Instagram has a few fonts to choose from, including Classic, Modern, Neon, Typewriter, and Strong. All of them achieve a different, unique look from each other and can go a long way in adjusting the look of your photo. Once you choose your specific font, you'll still need to customize your text. Color is important, especially for fonts like Neon, and can be selected from the palette options along the bottom of the screen. Your text alignment can be selected in the top left corner, as can the backdrop for your text. And don't forget to adjust your font size by using the slider along the left side of the screen. Unfortunately, it's impossible to add your own custom fonts to Instagram through the app itself, but third-party websites exist that modify your text into custom fonts you can copy and paste right into Instagram on your phone. We recommend igfonts.io for this, since it's one of the easiest ways to transform your text. Just write what you want in the box, then copy any of the choices automatically generated on the page. Paste your copied text into the Instagram story, and you'll have a custom look for your next post. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering social media and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.